Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez continued their European vacation with a stop in Italy, after partying in Saint-Tropez over the weekend. The Bennifer European vacay continues. Jennifer Lopez, 52, and Ben Affleck, 48, were spotted holding hands on a romantic walk in Capri, Italy on Tuesday, July 27. The photos and video of the couple were shared on TMZ.com. The pair looked incredibly happy, as they sauntered down the street hand in hand. J.Lo, who just celebrated her 52nd birthday, looked fabulous in a white dress, straw hat and high-heeled sandals. She accessorized with a pair of sunglasses and a ton of bracelets. Ben, meanwhile, sported a navy blue polo, khaki pants, and white sneakers. The Capri outing seemed like the latest stop on the couple's vacation. The couple stopped in Monaco on Monday, July 26, when J.Lo was photographed donning a necklace, with her beau's name spelled out BEN. The stops were all part of an extended trip, where the couple celebrated the Imreal singer's birthday in Saint-Tropez. Besides celebrating with plenty of PDA, the weekend was also incredibly exciting, because Bennifer is officially Instagram official. Jennifer posted a steamy photo of the pair making out on the yacht, along with sexy bikini shots of herself to celebrate her 52nd year. 5-2. What it do, she wrote in the caption. It seems like the couple couldn't keep their hands off each other all weekend. Ben and Jennifer shared plenty of kisses throughout the birthday festivities. Besides getting cozy with each other, Bennifer lived it up like it was the early 2000s and partied to J.Lo's 2002 hit Jenny from the Block at her birthday party. Also, while they were hanging out on the yacht, they seemingly recreated a scene from the music video, when Ben grabbed Jennifer's backside. J.Lo celebrated with close friends. She was in the best mood and happiest she has been in a long time, a source told Hollywood Life exclusively. Related gallery. Celebrities on vacation in summer 2021, Kim Kardashian, Hailey Baldwin and more. Since rekindling their relationship in April, Bennifer seem like they're doing great during their second time dating. Besides the romantic vacation, the couple have spent plenty of occasions on hot and heavy date nights, and they've been getting their families acquainted, joining each other on family outings.